that can't be beat.
Do they taste like lobster?
Huh? What did you say?
Do they taste like lobster?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah. They're good. They
What are you
taste
talking about? You're eating them
good.
too.
Man, boil them up, put them in some butter.
We want casserole to feed our mouth holes. We want meat that can't be beat.
Brown them. No, you're just gonna rinse them off a little
Before they get ready to die.
That one dead.
before I stick them in the boiler.
Before they go to their funeral.
Did you die? Only some of them are alive.
There's a lot
They
of
don't
them.
have that much time. That much
They were all alive when you caught them.
They are
That
all
one's not.
alive, man. Who, this one?
That big one's not moving, buddy.
Alright, let's touch it.
He's alive. Okay, yeah, thanks for proving us wrong.
Yeah, he's alive. Yeah.
He's just touching, no problem with it. Not even scared or nothing.
Yeah.
It could pinch me with those big old claws, but I'm not
Nothing.
scared. Fine.
Yeah, and there's a whole sink full. Yeah! Grub down!
Okay.